Why do you learn in videos in YouTube, Instagram, whatever, tutorials, everything, and you don't learn how to sharpen? Why do you think it happens? I will give you some explanation. That's what I think. Edited videos can be one reason. Whatever can ask a real sharpener to sharpen a good coniper or another tool and edit the video showing the result as if he would have done that. Another thing should be because he's not a real sharpener, okay? Sometimes the guy knows a little bit, but he doesn't do it for a living. He cannot support a family with that. He knows something, but he does it when he wants. It's like a hobby. So you should to think about it. Do you want to do that as a hobby, or do you want to support a family to open a store to live with this? So you should see that kind of thing when following a channel, following a sharpener, okay? And there are other things I think. Liars that sell courses, they buy one course and reproduce it. They know, they see everything and just show it perfectly in internet. They make accounts in platforms like YouTube, Instagram. They know all the process and sell lots of courses for you. They are only reproducers, okay? He doesn't know that for real. And you look at this and think they know. They wish a sharpener to do it, and they show as if they have done that. There are these three things I think why you are always watching videos about sharpening and you can never learn it.